Hello guys. I just realized that I haven't introduced myself. So I like Alien Stage, Disventure Camp, The Amazing Digital Circus, Madoka Magica, SMG4, Doki Doki, Literature Club, Puzzle Heads, Wacky Lesbian, Hour, Cookie Run, Kingdom, Ride the Cyclone. And that's all that I am gonna talk about the fandoms. But I can do high notes, I guess. I like theater. I like music. The music I listen to is Alexisonfire, My Chemical Romance, Weezer, Mindless Self, Indulgence, TV Girl, Pierce the Veil. I'm sorry for the long rant.